So first time ever, I'm giving you 10% off on entire Navratri collection only for this 3 days, 24, 25, 26. This 3 days monsoon Janmashtami sale. So you need to buy this kind of look with the 10% off. Come here and shop from us.
सो दिस इज छवि बाय कृतिशा एंड जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं कि दे आर ब्यूटीफुल नवरात्रि कलेक्शन कच्ची वर्क के साथ एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टाइल में एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर दे आर गिविंग दिस मच डिस्काउंट यू विल फाइंड स्टूडियो शॉप नंबर 16 में एट टाइटेनियम सिटी सेंटर मॉल आनंद नगर रोड के ऊपर यू विल फाइंड इट इवन यू कैन शॉप ऑनलाइन जिसके लिए उनका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर दिया हुआ है इन कैप्शन.
So here are few sets which we provide you by our taste. So the अभी सफेद इश्क का बहुत ट्रेंड है. So this is in a pure white with multicolor. Then my personal favorite black with dupatta. Then again with this we have paired two blouses, right? One is cord and the second is kalamkari, and the dupatta goes very nice with both the blouses. So this is in a pink and purple combination. You can look at the flare. Then this is again in a malvan yellow and with the khatwork dupatta. This is a trio color combination with the vintage border and machine mirror work, and there's some puffy sleeves. Then this is again a trio color combination with something new and in a georgette dupatta. And this is in a चंदेरी वन. इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शन है. जिसको बहुत लाइट वेटेड पसंद है, सिंपल सोबर पसंद है, यू कैन गेट इन टच विथ मी फॉर दिस. We have 250 plus different kind of neckline wale blouses. A few pieces I am showing here, and more we can customize according to your body type and your taste. So here are few pieces.
So that is Kachi one.
This is the bold one. Again Kachi. This is a khat mirror work. This is again a Kachi one with a string backside.
Nice.
This is a petu chupao blouse.
Right.
This is again a basic but पीछे से little bold. This is again a patola one with the khat work.
Right.
And this is a Banarasi.
Banarasi.
Okay. Few skirt options we have. So here is a Ganga Jamna lumpy, real lumpy, and the flare almost 7 to 8 meters. This is with this artificial lumpy with the samosa laces in each kali and pretty hangings with this. This one is special for simple people जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा जाकम जोड़ नहीं पसंद है. Simple samosa lace and the flare is almost 10 meters. This one is in a mustard yellow, full flare, एकदम तामझाम वाला. And again a ajrak में different color with the different thing. As we see the simple skirts, these are some with a minor mirror work detailing and stuff like that. So first one is with the mirror work, and again it's a 10-meter flare. Each kali have a buttas of mirror work. This is a differently placed mirror work in a green and with the dual colors. Again the rust color. This is a basic color favorite, you know, brick orange. This one is in a different material, Bada Panna. This is very lightweighted and with the minimal detailing of lumpy. This one is again a layer skirt which I am wearing with the 15-meter of flare. Modal special. ये आप वेडिंग के लिए भी पहन सकते हो और नवरात्रि में भी यूज कर सकते हो. We have a color options with this, the mustard yellow, and this one is a pretty option of this. So here are few options for the dupatta. This is with natural hand dyed ajrak with khat work detailing highlighted and scalloping on the border. The other one is khat work dupatta with kasab work and tiki work. Again, this dupatta you can pair with the any simple dress of yours in Diwali as well. So it is a quite a pocket friendly option. Again, this is a khat work dupatta which can you yani pair with the Navratri and Diwali. This is with the multicolor mirror. It can be customized in your color area. This is a simplicity with the mirror work. ये सारे दुपट्टे खाट वर्क में बनाए हुए हैं, नॉट अ हैंड वर्क. This is a twist with the vintage borders and a khat work. We hope you like our collection, Shringar, Navratri collection 2024, modern femininity rooted in tradition. बेसिकली हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है कि आज की नारी सब पे भारी. दैट इज जस्ट अ जोक्स अपार्ट. आइए कलेक्शन विजिट कीजिए. इफ यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद यू कैन कॉल अस और बुक अ वीडियो कॉल अपॉइंटमेंट. ये छोटी छोटी ग्लिम्स दी है, बाकी बहुत कुछ है. एक एक पीस आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या वेराइटीज है and how we provide the quality over the things. So do visit us and we hope you loved our collection and please say at least a words for that कि आपको collection कैसा लगा. Thank you.